Students, now we are doing the third one case of complex number when the real and imaginary parts are given in trigonometric form. So question is z is equal to 1 plus cos alpha plus iota sin alpha. If this type of complex number is given, so what will you do for calculating it? 1 plus cos alpha is already given. I have dictated the one rule to you. What's that? Firstly, I am discussing with sin theta is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus theta and cos theta is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. And the third one rule, if 1 plus cos theta is given to you, so you will change to cos square theta by 2, or if the sin theta is already given, so it will be changed to sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. These two rules we can implement there. So firstly, 1 plus cos alpha we will change. This is 2 cos square alpha over 2 by this formula which we have already written, 1 plus cos theta, that is 2 cos square theta by 2. So that's why I am writing 2 cos square alpha by 2. And next is sin alpha. Sin alpha is comparing with this one, sin theta. It can be changed into 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So that's why we are writing 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. These terms are coming to us. So next, z becomes equal to this one. So which thing is common between these two terms? Firstly, 2 is taking common, that is taking outside. So this expression becomes 2 cos square alpha by 2 plus iota sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. This expression is coming to us. So z becomes 2. So here is cos square alpha by 2 and here is cos alpha by 2. So cos alpha by 2 is also taking common from this. So it becomes cos alpha by 2. So remaining is cos alpha by 2 plus iota sin alpha by 2. This thing is coming to us. So this expression is coming. Now z comparing with r cos theta plus iota sin theta. So what's the modulus value? If we are comparing, this whole value is modulus value of r, and what is the argument value? We are comparing theta with this one expression. So theta is equal to alpha by 2. So here r is equal to 2 cos alpha by 2 and theta becomes equal to alpha by 2. So this is the solution for that question. So argument becomes alpha by 2 and modulus becomes 2 cos alpha by 2. Similarly, we are discussing another one question related to this one. So that is 1 minus cos alpha minus iota sin alpha, if the question is this form. So again 1 minus cos alpha, which we have already discussed in the formula. So what's the value of this? If the 1 minus cos alpha is given, this is comparing with 1 minus cos theta. So formula for that is 2 sin square theta by 2. So we are using this formula. So this expression will be changed. It becomes 1 minus cos alpha will be changed to sin square alpha by 2. Iota as it is, sin alpha, which we have already discussed in previous case. This is 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. So this is 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. This expression is coming. Now after that, z is equal to, which thing is common between these two? 2 is taking common and expression becomes 2 sin square alpha by 2 minus iota sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. This whole expression is coming. Now next is Another one thing is common, that is sin alpha by 2 is also common, that is also taking outside. So this is 2 sin alpha by 2, and inner terms are, one of the sin alpha by 2 is remaining, minus iota cos alpha by 2. This expression is coming. Now, but the rule says when we are comparing with z, so z is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. So for this, if we want here cos, it will be changed by using the rule which we have already discussed, that is cos pi by 2 minus theta, or cos theta को change करना है sin में तो pi by 2 minus theta. So this rule we are implementing here, or now this expression will be changing. Z is equal to 2 sin alpha by 2. This sign we want to change cos pi by 2 minus alpha by 2, because our theta angle is pi by alpha by 2, so that's why I am writing alpha by 2, minus iota sin, this is also changed, pi by 2 minus alpha. This expression is coming. So what will be our z value, modulus value? If we are comparing, this is r is here 2 sin alpha by 2, so r is 2 sin alpha by 2. And what's the angle value? Angle value here is argument value जिसको बोलते हैं, argument of z, that is theta. Theta becomes equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. This is the value for this expression, pi by 2 minus alpha by 2, because angle is alpha by 2, so that's why pi by 2 minus alpha by 2 in this expression. So this is all about regarding this question. And if we are discussing the one more case, that is C part, 1 upon sin alpha minus iota cos alpha. Which rule is applicable here? Firstly, if we are saying, we are comparing with second one rule, if the reciprocal of some complex number is given, so what will be our rule? Our rule says we are doing the rationalizing, and then we will get the simplified form of complex number. So that's why we are also doing the rationalizing here. So we are doing z is equal to this 1 upon sin alpha minus iota cos alpha. So this can be multiplied with sin alpha plus iota cos alpha, or similarly here sin alpha plus iota cos alpha. So what will you get? You will get sin alpha plus iota cos alpha over, then again a plus b, a minus b formula is applying, it becomes sin alpha whole square minus iota cos alpha whole square. This expression is coming. Then after that we will get z is equal to sin alpha plus iota cos alpha over sin square alpha minus, as it is, iota square cos square alpha. This expression is coming. We more simplify this one, so it becomes sin alpha plus iota cos alpha over sin square alpha. Iota square is minus 1, so minus of 1 into cos square alpha. So this expression will be changing sin alpha plus iota cos alpha over sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, minus multiplied. This expression is coming. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, we are using identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is always equal to 1. So this expression will be changing. Z is equal to sin alpha plus iota cos alpha over 1. This is the new form of complex number. Again, this complex number comparing with z is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. But here is cos theta but in the expression that is sin alpha. So we will change, this becomes cos, it becomes cos pi by 2 minus alpha, or similarly this part will be changed iota, for we are demanding here sine, so that's why we are changing sine pi by 2 minus alpha. So what will be our r value? R value will be here is nothing else, it means what is lying here? 1. So 1 is lying outside of this, so r is 1, and theta will be here is pi by 2 minus alpha. So this is all about regarding this topic when the complex number real and imaginary parts are given in a trigonometric form. So go to the next one.